I thought I'd show you what the bees are doing today. It was 23 degrees this morning, and we've had nearly 5, maybe 6 days of rain and low temperatures, and it's warmed up to 55, 57 right now, and these bees couldn't be happier. It's the middle of February. A few days ago, I was going to work, and on the side of the interstate, I saw a brood box, a deep brood box with 10 frames in it, and it wasn't damaged at all. And so I thought that I would take these 4 frames of resources from the box I found and lay them out here for the bees today to clean up. Now I just laid them out here. I see a few bees on them. Stick around. I'm going to come back in just a little while. We'll see what they've done then. Some of these bees are drinking so much honey that they can't even fly back to the hive. They sure are bringing in a lot of pollen for this time of the year. It's always amazing to me where they find it. There's really not anything in bloom that I know of in February, but they find this pollen and they bring it in. That's usually a good sign that it's a healthy colony and that they're raising young. Well, it's really awesome. See them out here doing what they do. And here they're just cleaning up those frames that I laid out. They're pretty efficient. It doesn't take them very long to clean them all up. Now it is February, middle of February, and I want you to see all the pollen that they are bringing in. It's different colors. Some of it's a pale yellow, some of it's a bright yellow, and I've even seen a little orange. Let's see if I can get a better angle on this. There's some bright orange.